The story: Ben and the Lost Puppy. Ben is a boy. He is 6 years old. Ben lives in a small house with his mom and dad. He has a pet cat named Whiskers. Ben loves animals. One rainy afternoon, Ben hears a soft cry outside. He opens the door and sees a small, wet puppy. The puppy is shivering. "Mom, Dad, come quickly," Ben calls. His mom and dad come to the door. They see the puppy and feel sorry for it. "We should help the puppy," says Ben's mom. Ben's dad gets a towel and wraps the puppy in it. They bring the puppy inside and dry it off. The puppy looks at Ben with big, sad eyes. "Can we keep the puppy?" Ben asks. "We need to find its owner first," says Ben's dad. They give the puppy some food and water. The puppy eats the food quickly. Ben and his mom make a poster. The poster says, "Found lost puppy? Call Ben." They put the poster on a tree near their house. The next day, a girl named Lily sees the poster. She calls Ben. "Hello, I think you found my puppy. His name is Max," says Lily. Ben is happy. "Yes, we have Max. You can come and get him." Lily comes to Ben's house. When Max sees Lily, he runs to her and wags his tail. "Thank you, Ben," says Lily. "You took good care of Max." Ben smiles. "You're welcome, Lily. I'm happy Max is home." Lily and Ben become friends. They play with Max and Whiskers together. Ben is glad he helped Max and made a new friend.